A very good morning to all my dear children, students. In today's video, I will give you the explanation of lesson 17, that is your transformation of interrogative sentences into indirect speech. Students, in the notes I have given you, and the lesson is also explained to you. Look at the notes provided by me. An interrogative sentence may be of the following three types: WH questions, yes no questions, and tag questions. In WH questions, the reporting verb said is normally changed into asked or inquired, but besides these, other words can also be used, such as demanded, wondered, wanted to know, etc. Students, here we are learning how to transform interrogative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, the first rule I have described you. Second is, there can be two types of questions that can be changed from direct speech to indirect speech and vice versa. WH questions, who, what, etc., and yes no questions beginning with auxiliary verbs and answered in yes no. Okay, the question form verb plus subject plus object is changed into the statement form. The sign of interrogation, that is your question mark, is dropped out and full stop is used because the sentence is changed from interrogative to statement. Okay, students, here you can see the kind lady said to me, "How can I help you, dear?" The kind lady, here according to the rule we can write asked. Asked me affectionately is an optional word. You can write or you can skip also. How she could help me. You can see in the example, question mark is removed, and instead of question mark full stop is there because the sentence changes from direct to indirect. Adverbs like angrily, anxiously, greedily, these are the adverbs. We can change it suitably according to the situation. Next is your students transformation of interrogative sentence in the indirect speech into direct speech. Okay, here we are transforming from indirect to direct. For transforming any type of interrogative sentence in the indirect speech into direct speech, we need to undo the rules. We know बेटा अब इसमें हम लोग ठीक exactly opposite करेंगे. अब example देख लीजिए. The principal asked the staff members why the students were not regular in the class. According to the rules, students, अब यहाँ देख लीजिए, ये इनडायरेक्ट में दिया गया था. अब डायरेक्ट के लिए आपको पता है, द प्रिंसिपल आप वहाँ पे सेड लिखेंगे टू द स्टाफ मेंबर्स, और जहाँ पे आप देख रही हैं कॉमा लगेगा, एंड द स्पीच ऑफ द principal we will write in open and close inverted commas. Why are the students not regular in the class, followed by the question mark. Okay, so students, just look at your book also, all of you. Same thing here, the rules जो अभी मैंने आपको explain किया है. There can be two types of questions. Same thing here, WH yes no, जिसके बारे में हमें सीखा था अभी. One more rule students, जो आपने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. नो कंजंक्शन इज यूज्ड व्हेन द क्वेश्चन इन द डायरेक्ट स्पीच स्टार्ट्स विथ WH वर्ड्स. इस चीज़ का आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल देख लीजिए. आई आज सेड टू माई कजिन कॉमा वेयर हैव यू बीन इन दीज हॉलीडेज. सेड जो आपका आस्क्ड में बदल गया है. माई कजिन वेयर शी हैड बीन इन दोज हॉलीडेज. So, no conjunction is used when the question in the direct speech starts with WH words. Okay, turn the pages, students. Here also you can see, in case of yes no questions, the conjunctions if or whether is used. Underline this in my explanation. Also I have told you to underline these. And students, यहाँ आप देखिए नीचे adverbs like angrily, just now I have explained you. Note here, look here in your book, all of you. For changing tag questions, normally all the rules mentioned for WH questions and yes no questions are followed. Okay, same rules we follow. Example देख लीजिए. Ritesh said to Mr. Sharma, "You are my new neighbor, aren't you?" Aren't you is the tag portion. Ritesh inquired of Mr. Sharma. अभी आपने rules के according पढ़ा था कि ये लगता है आपका preposition of जो है ये आपका use होगा. Clear? Ritesh inquired of Mr. Sharma if he was his new neighbor or not. Teacher said to the students, "You don't want to take class test today, do you? Do you was your tag and how we have changed it?" Teacher asked the students whether they wanted to take class test that day or not. Last point is your students transformation of interrogative sentence in the indirect speech into direct speech. This also just now I have explained you. Once again I am explaining. For transforming any type of interrogative sentence in the indirect speech into direct speech, we need to undo the rules. Okay. The principal asked the staff members why the students were not regular in the class. The principal said to the staff members, "Why are the students not regular in the class?" So students, I hope this will be clear to all of you. If you have any doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me when I will attain the online class. All doubts will be clear. Okay. Students, look at the exercise portion. फर्स्ट ऑलरेडी बिसाइड आई हैव डन लिखा हुआ है. सेकंड बेटा देखिए नीचे है, यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन कोई मत क्रिएट कीजिएगा. थर्ड ऊपर है, फोर्थ के नीचे बगल में फोर्थ लिखा हुआ है. इस तरह से सारे एक्सरसाइजेस किए गए हैं. वंस अगेन आई एम सेइंग टू यू, अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है समझने में या किसी भी तरीके से, तो आप जब ऑनलाइन क्लास होगा तब आप हमसे पूछ लीजिएगा. सारे डाउट्स आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे. So I am ending this video, students. Thank you and have a nice day.